In this video, we'll go over the simple steps to get the most out of your keepsake and a few pro tips. Remove frame from package and separate the 4 components. Wash hands thoroughly. Put them down on any surface, as the white clay will pick up lint and any other substances. Using only your hands, combine the clay together for at least 3 minutes. Make sure the 3 pieces have been combined into one smooth, solid mass. Place the ball of clay onto the center of the backboard of the frame. With the palm of your hand, push down on the center of the ball to spread out the clay. Make sure the clay fills the entire space, including the corners. Gently use the roller to make sure the clay is perfectly smooth. Check the clay to make sure there are no minor cracks on the surface. This step requires patience. Remember, the smoother the clay, the better the result. Clay will not fill the entire backboard in order to protect the glass. Place baby's hand and/or foot into the clay and press firmly for a good impression. The clay may take 4 or more days to dry before you can assemble the frame. Do not touch the clay during the drying period. Although the opening for the photo is 2.75 by 2.75, be sure to cut the pictures slightly larger than the openings and secure them with the double-sided tape. Once the clay is hardened, it is ready for framing. Pro tips: do not leave the clay in sunlight when drying. Wait until your baby is asleep to get the prints.